Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use DaVinci Resolve. First, launch the application and select New Project from the Project Manager. Give your project a descriptive name. Next, navigate to the Media page to import your footage. You can drag and drop files directly into the media pool or use the file browser. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth editing workflow, ensuring all your assets are ready for the creative process ahead. Now, let's move to the Edit page, the heart of your video creation. Here, you'll learn to precisely cut and trim your clips, arranging them on the timeline to tell your story. We'll explore adding smooth transitions between scenes, enhancing the flow of your video. You'll also discover how to adjust audio levels for clear sound and apply fundamental video effects to elevate your visuals, making your project truly shine. The Color page is where your visuals truly come alive. We'll delve into primary color correction, balancing your footage for consistent exposure and white balance. Then, we'll explore creative color grading, applying unique looks to evoke specific moods. You'll learn to use powerful tools like color wheels and curves, alongside scopes, to achieve professional-grade color. This step is vital for giving your video a polished, cinematic feel. Finally, it's time to share your masterpiece. On the Deliver page, you'll configure your export settings. We'll cover choosing the right format, codec, and resolution for your intended platform, whether it's YouTube, Vimeo, or a client deliverable. Understanding these options ensures your video looks its best everywhere. With just a few clicks, your finished project will be rendered and ready for the world to see, completing your creative journey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.